Today we shall discuss the next chapter, deep water. Deep water was written by William O. Douglas. William O. Douglas was one of the American writer. Actually, he was Canadian but settled in America. So you can say he was a Canadian American. So he was the friend of Roosevelt, one of the president of America. He was appointed a judge in Supreme Court. He has served in the court for 36 years, that is the longest term. So he was a writer, he was a judge, he was a politician, and he was born on 16 October 1898 at Men's Township, Minnesota. He was graduated from Whitman College with the subjects English and Economics. He got his LLB from Columbia University. So his famous works are Of Men and Mountains, from which this lesson is taken. Other works are The Court Years, Go East Young Man, My Wilderness, Points of Rebellion, Nature's Justice, and he was passed away on January 19, 1980 at Maryland in USA. Now let us come to the lines of the lesson. Deep water. In this lesson, it is one of the autobiography of William Douglas. When he was a child of 3 or 4 years, he went with his father to one of the beach. Here at the beach, one of the wave surf came and he was pulled in the water. He dipped in the water, drowned in the water. Later on he was saved by his father, but from that time fear developed in him. When he reached to the age of 11 or 12 years, he tried to become a swimmer, he tried to learn swimming. So it had happened when I was 10 or 11 years. This happened when his age was 10 or 11 years old. I had decided to learn to swim. He took a decision to start learning swimming at the age of 10 to 11 years. There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima. At the Yakima, there was one of the swimming pool. There was a pool. Pool means here swimming pool at the YMCA. You know YMCA? Young Men Christian Association in Yakima, that offered exactly the opportunity, and here he could get a chance to learn swimming. What was offered by the Yakima pool? Chance of learning swimming, how to swim. The Yakima river was treacherous. There was the river Yakima. It was harmful. Treacherous means harmful, fatal, that can take life, that is dangerous. So it was dangerous. What was dangerous? Yakima river. Yakima river was dangerous. Mother continuously warned against it. Mother of the writer William Douglas gave warning not to go for swimming in that river because it was dangerous, and against it, and kept fresh in my mind the details of each drowning in the year. And she used to tell about the people who drowned in the river. Always made him to recall, to remember about the people who drowned. So he was alert. She made alert to the writer not to go to the river because it was dangerous. Each drowning in the river, but the YMCA pool was safe. That swimming pool of YMCA, it was safe. Only river was treacherous, dangerous, not the pool, swimming pool. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end. There were two ends. One is known shallow end and one is deep end. Here it is level. Here at the beginning it was only how many feet deep? 3 or 2 feet deep at the shallow end, and while it was 9 feet deep at the other end, it was 9 feet deep, and at the shallow it was only 2 or 3 feet deep. At the shallow end, shallow means that is not deep, the side that was not deep, where there was less water, and while it was 9 feet deep at the other, the drop was gradual. The drop was not on sudden, it was going deep slowly. Gradual means slow. I got a pair of water wings and went to the pool. He got one pair of device that is used to bear in the arms to start swimming, to learn swimming. Water wings means a pair of device that is used to learn swimming, and went to the pool, reached to the swimming pool. I hated to walk naked into it. He disliked to go in the water removing his cloth and show my skinny legs. He did not want anyone could see his thin legs. His legs were not healthy. He was not healthy. So his legs were also not healthy. His legs were thin. So he did not want that anyone could see his thin, skinny legs. But I subdued my pride and did it. But he reduced his pride. What was his pride? Not to show his body parts. That was his pride. But he reduced his pride and entered in water, removing his cloth to learn swimming. So I think this paragraph is clear to you. Now note down the questions that you will attempt at your home. So question number first, at which age the writer decided to learn swimming? Next question, how was the MCA pool safe for the writer? Third question, write the meaning of the word treacherous. Thank you.